Could the Iran-Israel war be about to reignite? Well, the tensions in the West Asia has just taken a dangerous turn. Iran has issued a clear and chilling warning to Israel. If you try to fully take over Gaza, then be ready for a war. And this is not just an empty threat. Tehran has been quietly building up its military muscle in the region, from missiles in Lebanon to drone bases in Syria, and even alliances with armed groups across the Middle East. Well, we are talking about the Houthis. Then, in response, Israel is suddenly on high alert. The Israeli Defense Forces have kicked off a massive military drill called Operation Dawn. And this is not just a routine exercise. It is designed to prepare for full front attack, meaning that they are expecting some trouble, not just from Gaza, but possibly from Lebanon's Hezbollah, Syria, and even from Iran itself. The drill has been so serious that public events have been cancelled, emergency inspections have been ordered, and military headquarters are working round the clock. So, why is this happening now? Let's talk about that. Israel's government, led by Prime Minister Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu, has been pushing for a complete occupation of Gaza after months of fighting with Hamas. But the plan has angered not just Palestinians, but also Iran, which, by the way, sees itself as a Gaza's protector. Iran fears that if Israel takes full control, it will shift the regional balance of power, weaken the Palestinian cause, and kind of give some more power to Tel Aviv to act more aggressively elsewhere. And here's the scary part: Iran is not buffering. Over the years, it has built what military experts call the axis of resistance, a network of militants and proxy forces from Yemen to Iraq also, all capable of launching attacks on Israel or even the United States forces in the region. Remember the recent drone and missile strikes on the US bases? Now, many of those groups are linked to Iran. Now, for Israel, this is a nightmare scenario. A war on multiple fronts could actually stretch its military thin. And if the United States is dragged in, which is very likely given its deep ties with Israel, we could be looking at full-blown regional war. This isn't just about Gaza anymore. It is about the entire Middle East getting pulled into another cycle of violence. Now the question is, will Israel back off just to avoid a clash with Iran, or will it gamble, go ahead with a Gaza occupation and risk trigger a war that could set the whole region on fire? Well, the countdown has just begun, and the next move will actually decide whether we see another devastating conflict or not.